Welcome to the project. In this project, we'll design an Ornithopter in Fusion 360. An ornithopter is a flying machine that mimics the flapping motion of the bird and insects to generate lift and thrust. Unlike fixed-wing aircraft, it relies on mechanically driven wings to achieve flight. Ornithopters are used in biomimicry research, robotics, and aerodynamic studies, making them a fascinating blend of engineering and nature-inspired design. We'll design and assemble an ornithopter step by step in Fusion 360 using top-down assembly approach. This project is divided into 3 parts. In the first 2 parts, we'll focus on creating all the components of the ornithopter, while in the final part, we'll assemble everything and refine the design. By the end of this section, our ornithopter structure will be fully complete, setting the stage for motion and rendering in the next part. In part 3, we'll bring the model to life by applying joints, allowing each component to function properly and enabling the ornithopter to achieve realistic flapping motion. Finally, we'll enhance its appearance, applying material and texture to give a polished, professional finish. Now let's dive into part 1 and begin the process.